SAP BRFplus Online Training. Learn and upgrade your profile from new skills and knowledge with experts trainer. Introduction to SAP BRFplus. SAP BRFplus, which stands for Business Rule Framework Plus, is a tool that enables businesses to define, manage, and execute business rules. It is a comprehensive and flexible tool that can be used to model a wide variety of business processes, from simple validation checks to complex decision-making scenarios. BRFplus is an ABAP-based framework, which means that it is tightly integrated with the SAP NetWeaver platform. This integration makes it easy to use BRFplus to define and execute business rules within SAP applications. BRFplus can also be used to expose business rules as web services, which makes it possible to integrate them with non-SAP applications. The benefits of using SAP BRFplus. SAP BRFplus is a business rule framework that enables business users to define and manage business rules without the need for ABAP coding. This can help to improve the agility and flexibility of business processes, as well as reduce the time and cost of implementing changes. Here are some of the benefits of using SAP BRFplus. Increased agility and flexibility. BRFplus enables business users to make changes to business rules quickly and easily, without the need for IT involvement. This can help businesses to respond to changes in market conditions or customer requirements more quickly. Reduce time and cost of implementation. BRFplus can help to reduce the time and cost of implementing new business processes or making changes to existing processes. This is because business users can define and manage business rules themselves without the need for ABAP coding. Improved accuracy and consistency. BRFplus can help to improve the accuracy and consistency of business decisions. This is because business rules are defined and stored in a central location, which can help to reduce the risk of errors and inconsistencies. Enhanced visibility and traceability. BRFplus can help to improve the visibility and traceability of business decisions. This is because business rules are documented and can be easily audited. Improved collaboration between business and IT. BRFplus can help to improve collaboration between business and IT. This is because business users can work with IT to define and manage business rules, which can help to ensure that IT solutions meet the needs of the business. Overall, SAP BRFplus is a powerful tool that can help businesses to improve their agility, flexibility, and efficiency. Key features of SAP BRFplus. SAP BRFplus, Business Rule Framework Plus, is a comprehensive tool for defining and processing business rules. It provides a graphical user interface, GUI, for modeling rules, as well as a powerful expression language for implementing rule logic. BRFplus can be used to automate a wide variety of business processes, including validation of data and detection of invalid data and states. BRFplus can be used to validate data entered by users, as well as to detect invalid data and states in existing data sets. Matching responsibilities, suitable products, and locations. BRFplus can be used to match responsibilities to employees, products to customers, and locations to shipments. Calculation of costs, overhead, and risks. BRFplus can be used to calculate costs, overhead, and risks associated with various business decisions. BRFplus as a technical configuration engine. BRFplus can be used to configure technical applications, such as pricing engines and product catalogs. SAP BRFplus is a powerful tool that can be used to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of business processes. It is a popular choice for organizations that need to manage complex business rules. Here are some of the key features of SAP BRFplus. Graphical User Interface (GUI) for modeling rules. The GUI provides a drag-and-drop interface for creating and editing rules. This makes it easy for business users to create and maintain rules, even if they do not have any programming experience. Powerful expression language for implementing rule logic. The expression language provides a rich set of operators and functions for implementing complex rule logic. This makes it possible to model even the most complex business rules. Support for multiple rule types. BRFplus supports a variety of rule types, including decision tables, decision trees, and expressions. This makes it possible to choose the most appropriate rule type for each business scenario. SAP BRFplus is a powerful and flexible tool that can be used to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of business processes. It is a popular choice for organizations of all sizes that need to manage complex business rules. Getting started with SAP BRFplus. To begin with SAP BRFplus, start by understanding its core concepts. Business rules govern decision-making logic, represented by objects like data objects, functions, and rule sets. Get familiar with the BRFplus workbench, consisting of a navigation pane, object editor, and expression editor. This graphical interface helps in creating, editing, and managing BRFplus objects. Now, create your first BRFplus application. Use transaction code BRFplus to create a new application. Define data objects for input and intermediate results. Develop functions encapsulating business logic, including expressions or decision tables. Organize functions into rule sets to determine the execution order. Test your application using the workbench's simulation functionality for different scenarios. Once satisfied, deploy the application to the production environment, integrating it with other SAP systems or external applications. Mastering SAP BRFplus enhances your SAP development and business process automation skills. Modeling business rules in SAP BRFplus Express Modeler. BRFplus Express Modeler is a tool that helps you model and implement business rules for SAP applications. It is a graphical modeler that allows you to create decision trees, tables, and other types of rule models. You can also use BRFplus Express Modeler to simulate your rule models and test them before deploying them to a production system. Here are some of the benefits of using BRFplus Express Modeler. Improved decision-making. BRFplus Express Modeler helps you to make better decisions by making your business rules more explicit and easier to understand. Reduced risk. BRFplus Express Modeler helps you to reduce risk by identifying and correcting errors in your business rules before they cause problems. Increased agility. BRFplus Express Modeler helps you to be more agile by making it easier to change your business rules as your business needs change. Here are some of the key features of BRFplus Express Modeler. Graphical modeling. BRFplus Express Modeler is a graphical modeler that allows you to create decision trees, tables, and other types of rule models. Rule simulation. BRFplus Express Modeler allows you to simulate your rule models and test them before deploying them to a production system. Rule versioning. BRFplus Express Modeler allows you to version your rule models so that you can track changes and easily roll back to previous versions if needed. Rule deployment. BRFplus Express Modeler allows you to deploy your rule models to SAP applications. If you are interested in learning more about BRFplus Express Modeler, I recommend that you visit the SAP website. There you will find a wealth of information, including documentation, tutorials, and training materials. Implementing business rules in SAP BRFplus Rule Builder. SAP Business Rule Framework Plus, BRFplus, is a robust API and UI for defining and processing business rules in SAP NetWeaver and ABAP environments. To get started, define rules. Use decision tables, trees, or text-based expressions to articulate your business rules. Create BRFplus application. Set up a BRFplus application as a container for your business rules by creating a project and then an application within it. Build BRFplus function. Develop a BRFplus function within the application to house the business logic of your rule. Define rule context. Specify the data, context, that your rule will use for decision-making by creating and adding a data object. Specify rule result. Determine the data, result, that the rule will produce after making a decision using another data object. Create rule expressions. Use the expression editor to craft the calculations that the rule will utilize for decision-making. Test your rule. Ensure the rule functions correctly by employing the test rule feature in the rule builder. Deploy to production. Once satisfied with testing, deploy the rule to production to make it accessible for use in other applications. In conclusion, implementing business rules in SAP BRFplus Rule Builder is a streamlined process, empowering organizations to enhance efficiency and effectiveness. Testing and deploying business rules in SAP BRFplus. Ensuring the accuracy and efficiency of business logic in SAP BRFplus involves a crucial process of testing and deploying business rules. Testing business rules. Unit testing. Validate individual rule components, decision tables, rule sets, functions, by providing input data and checking expected outputs. Simulation. Use the BRFplus Workbench's simulation feature to observe rule behavior in a controlled environment, stepping through execution and checking intermediate results. Integration testing. Execute rules in real-world scenarios to ensure seamless interaction with other SAP system components. User acceptance testing. UAT engage end users to evaluate rule functionality and usability with provided test cases. Deploying business rules. Transport request creation, package rules, and associated objects in a transport request for deployment. Transport request import. Move the packaged rules from development to the target environment, production, or QA by importing the transport request. Transport request release. Activate rules in the target environment by releasing the transport request, enabling rule execution in SAP applications. Post-deployment testing. Verify correct rule functionality in the target environment under real-world conditions. Documentation updates. Update rule set documentation, user manuals, and relevant materials to reflect rule deployment in the target environment. Monitoring and troubleshooting business rules in SAP BRFplus. Monitoring and troubleshooting SAP BRFplus rules is crucial for smooth business processes. Common issues include rules not firing correctly, returning incorrect results, and causing performance problems. To address these issues, BRFplus trace log. Utilize the trace log to analyze rule executions, identify incorrect firing or results. BRFplus simulation tool. Test rules without deploying to production, aiding in error identification and resolution. BRFplus rule analyzer. Identify and resolve performance problems by analyzing rule execution times and memory usage. General troubleshooting tips. Review rule logic, including expression, steps, and decision table. Verify correct rule parameters in the code or BRFplus trace log. Check dependencies on other rules for firing and results. Test the rule in a sandbox environment to isolate and resolve problems without impacting production. By employing these tools and techniques, ensure effective monitoring and troubleshooting of BRFplus rules for efficient business processes. Best practices for using SAP BRFplus. Here are some best practices for using SAP BRFplus. Use clear and concise names for your rule sets, functions, and decision tables. This will make it easier for you and other developers to understand your code. Use descriptive comments to explain your rules and decision tables. This will help you to remember what your code does and make it easier for others to understand it. Use variables to avoid hard-coding values in your rules and decision tables. This will make your code more flexible and easier to maintain. Use decision tables for simple rules and formulas for more complex logic. Decision tables are easier to read and understand, while formulas are more concise. Use event mode for rule sets that are triggered by events, such as when a customer creates an order. This will make your code more modular and easier to test. Use simulations to test your rules and decision tables before you deploy them to production. This will help you to catch errors and make sure that your code works as expected. Use version control to manage your rules and decision tables. This will make it easier to track changes and revert to previous versions if necessary. Use a consistent coding style throughout your project. This will make your code easier to read and understand for others. Document your code thoroughly. This will make it easier for you to remember what your code does and make it easier for others to understand it. Get training on SAP BRFplus. This will help you to learn the best practices for using the tool and make it easier to develop and maintain your code. By following these best practices, you can develop high-quality, maintainable BRFplus applications that meet your business needs. Advanced features of SAP BRFplus. SAP Business Rule Framework Plus, BRFplus, is a robust tool for creating and executing business rules. It offers advanced decision table features, such as multi-level tables, calculated expressions, accumulators, and rule dependencies. The tool also provides advanced rule execution features like simulation, tracing, caching, and exception handling. For effective rule management, BRFplus includes version control, rule transport between SAP systems, and a security mechanism for access control. It seamlessly integrates with various SAP systems like ERP, S/4HANA, CRM, and BW, making it a versatile choice for implementing business rules across the SAP landscape. In conclusion, BRFplus stands out as a powerful and flexible solution for modeling and executing complex business rules in an intuitive manner. Its advanced features and integration capabilities make it a valuable asset in the SAP environment. The future of SAP BRFplus and business rules management. SAP Business Rule Framework Plus, BRFplus, is a mature and widely used business rules management (BRM) system that has been around for many years. It is a powerful tool that can be used to model and execute complex business rules. However, BRFplus is also a bit dated, and it is not as well suited for modern, cloud-native applications as some of its newer competitors. As a result, SAP is planning to sunset BRFplus in the near future. In the meantime, SAP is recommending that customers migrate their BRFplus rules to SAP Decision Service Management (DSM). DSM is a newer, cloud-native BRM system that is designed for modern applications. It is also more powerful and flexible than BRFplus. The migration to DSM is not a trivial task, but it is necessary for customers who want to continue using SAP's BRM technology in the future. SAP is providing tools and resources to help customers with the migration process. In addition to DSM, SAP is also investing in other BRM technologies, such as decision tables and decision trees. These technologies can be used to model business rules in a more visual and intuitive way, which can make it easier for business users to understand and maintain them. Overall, the future of SAP BRM is bright. SAP is committed to providing its customers with the best possible BRM technology, and it is investing heavily in new and innovative BRM solutions. Here are some of the key trends that are shaping the future of SAP BRM. The rise of cloud-native applications. The increasing demand for visual and intuitive BRM tools. The need for more powerful and flexible BRM systems. SAP is well positioned to take advantage of these trends, and it is likely to remain a leader in the BRM market for many years to come. Here are some additional thoughts on the future of SAP BRM. SAP will continue to invest in DSM and make it the premier BRM system for SAP customers. SAP will explore new BRM technologies, such as decision management platforms, DMPs, and artificial intelligence, AI. SAP will continue to partner with other BRM vendors to provide its customers with the best possible solutions. I believe that the future of SAP BRM is very promising. SAP is a leader in the BRM market, and it is committed to providing its customers with the best possible BRM technology. I am confident that SAP will continue to innovate and deliver cutting-edge BRM solutions in the years to come. The future of SAP BPM and Business Process Management. SAP Business Process Management, BPM, is a software application that helps businesses automate and optimize their business processes. It is a popular choice for businesses of all sizes, and it is used in a variety of industries, including manufacturing, retail, healthcare, and finance. SAP BPM is a powerful tool that can help businesses improve efficiency, reduce costs, and improve customer satisfaction. However, the world of business is constantly changing, and SAP BPM must evolve to keep up. Here are some of the key trends that are shaping the future of SAP BPM. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is a popular choice for businesses of all sizes, and SAP BPM is increasingly being offered as a cloud-based solution. This makes it easier for businesses to deploy and use SAP BPM, and it can also help to reduce costs. Artificial intelligence, AI is being used in a variety of ways to improve SAP BPM, such as automating tasks, making decisions, and providing insights into data. Low-code and no-code development. Low-code and no-code development platforms are making it easier for businesses to develop and deploy SAP BPM solutions without the need for coding expertise. Hyperautomation. Hyperautomation is the use of multiple automation technologies to automate a wide range of processes. SAP BPM is a key component of hyperautomation strategies. Here are some of the specific ways that SAP BPM is evolving. SAP Build Process Automation. SAP Build Process Automation is a new cloud-based BPM solution that is designed to be easier to use and more affordable than traditional SAP BPM solutions. SAP Process Orchestration. SAP Process Orchestration is a solution that combines SAP BPM with SAP Integration Suite, SAP IS. This makes it easier for businesses to integrate their business processes with their other applications. SAP Leonardo. SAP Leonardo is a platform that provides a variety of tools and services for developing intelligent applications. SAP BPM is being integrated with SAP Leonardo to provide users with more AI-powered capabilities. In addition to these specific trends, SAP BPM is also evolving to become more user-friendly, more scalable, and more secure. The future of SAP BPM is bright, and it is clear that this software will continue to be a valuable tool for businesses of all sizes. SAP BRFplus certifications. There are no longer any SAP BRFplus certifications available. SAP BRFplus was a business rules framework that was discontinued in 2019. It was replaced by SAP Decision Service Management, DSM, which is a cloud-based solution for managing business rules. There are two SAP DSM certifications available. SAP Certified Application Associate, SAP Decision Service Management. SAP Certified Solution Architect, SAP Decision Service Management. The SAP Certified Application Associate certification is designed for business analysts and consultants who need to implement and manage DSM solutions. The SAP Certified Solution Architect certification is designed for IT professionals who need to design and implement DSM solutions. To earn either of these certifications, you must pass an exam. The exams are available in English and German. Career opportunities and salary expectations. SAP BRFplus in India. The career opportunities for SAP BRFplus in India are good. The demand for SAP BRFplus professionals is expected to grow in the coming years as more and more businesses adopt this technology. SAP BRFplus is a powerful tool that can be used to automate business processes, improve efficiency, and reduce costs. Businesses of all sizes are looking for SAP BRFplus professionals to help them implement and use this technology. The average salary for an SAP BRFplus consultant in India is 700,000 rupee per year. SAP BRFplus developers can expect to earn an average of 800,000 rupee per year. SAP BRFplus architects can expect to earn an average of 900,000 rupee per year. Here are some of the skills and experience that employers are looking for in SAP BRFplus professionals. Experience with SAP BRFplus. Experience with SAP ERP. Experience with business process modeling. Experience with business rule management. Strong analytical and problem-solving skills. Excellent communication and interpersonal skills. If you are interested in a career in SAP BRFplus, there are a number of things you can do to increase your chances of success. First, make sure you have the necessary skills and experience. You can do this by taking SAP BRFplus training courses or by working on SAP BRFplus projects. Second, network with other SAP BRFplus professionals. This can help you learn about job opportunities and get your foot in the door. Finally, stay up to date on the latest SAP BRFplus trends and technologies. This will show employers that you are a committed and knowledgeable professional. Here are some of the top companies that hire SAP BRFplus professionals in India. Accenture, Cognizant, Infosys, HCL Technologies, Tata Consultancy Services. The job market for SAP BRFplus professionals is expected to remain strong in the coming years. With the right skills and experience, you can have a successful career in SAP BRFplus. Advantages of choose SAP BRFplus online training. Here are some of the advantages of choosing SAP BRFplus online training. Flexibility. You can learn at your own pace and on your own schedule. There are no set class times or locations, so you can fit your learning into your busy life. Cost-effective. Online training is often more affordable than traditional classroom training. There are no travel or accommodation costs to worry about, and you may be able to find discounted rates or scholarships. Variety of options. There are a variety of online SAP BRFplus training courses available, so you can find one that fits your needs and learning style. Some courses are instructor-led, while others are self-paced. Convenience: you can learn from anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. This is especially beneficial if you live in a rural area or if you travel frequently. Up-to-date content: online courses are often updated more frequently than traditional classroom courses. This means that you can be sure that you are learning the most up-to-date information. In addition to these general advantages, there are also some specific advantages to choosing SAP BRFplus online training. These include: focus on the software. Online SAP BRFplus training courses are specifically designed to teach you how to use the SAP BRFplus software. This means that you will not have to waste time learning about other topics that are not relevant to your needs. Hands-on learning: many online SAP BRFplus training courses include hands-on exercises and projects. This will give you the opportunity to practice what you have learned and to apply it to real-world scenarios. Access to experts: online SAP BRFplus training courses often include access to experts who can answer your questions and provide support. This can be invaluable if you are struggling with a particular concept or if you need help troubleshooting a problem. Overall, SAP BRFplus online training is a great option for those who want to learn how to use the SAP BRFplus software. It is a flexible, cost-effective, and convenient way to learn from experts and to get the hands-on experience you need to be successful. Why choose Proexcellency SAP BRFplus online training? There are many reasons to choose Proexcellency SAP BRFplus online training. Here are just a few. Experienced and qualified instructors: Proexcellency's instructors have extensive experience in SAP BRFplus and are certified to teach the course. Flexible and convenient learning: Proexcellency's online training courses are self-paced and can be taken from anywhere in the world. Comprehensive course materials: Proexcellency's course materials are up-to-date and cover all of the latest SAP BRFplus features. Hands-on learning: Proexcellency's online training courses include a variety of hands-on exercises and projects to help you apply what you learn. Real-world scenarios: Proexcellency's online training courses use real-world scenarios to help you learn how to apply SAP BRFplus in a practical setting. Affordable pricing: Proexcellency's online training courses are competitively priced and offer a variety of payment plans. Lifetime access to course materials: once you enroll in a Proexcellency online training course, you have lifetime access to the course materials. In addition to these general benefits, there are also some specific reasons to choose Proexcellency SAP BRFplus online training. Proexcellency is an SAP Gold partner. This means that Proexcellency has a deep understanding of SAP BRFplus and is able to provide the most up-to-date training available. Proexcellency has a proven track record of success. Proexcellency has trained thousands of SAP professionals on SAP BRFplus and has a 99% satisfaction rate. Proexcellency offers a variety of SAP BRFplus training courses. Proexcellency offers a variety of SAP BRFplus training courses to meet the needs of all levels of learners. Let's connect with us. 08031508687 plus 918722079509. info@proexcellency.com, often@proexcellency.com. www.proexcellency.com. Thank you.